Doctors, I have the top 5 social media post ideas for you right here. The first one is reviews and testimonials. You probably know about this, but here's the thing. Are you doing it? It's so critical because it proves that people trust you. In the SEO realm, we call that EEAT. Essentially, it's just the distillation of, are you legit? Do people actually use you? And so these stories are relatable instances where you can showcase what you've done for people. And I'll give you an example here from our customer in Irvine, Dr. Scott and Dr. Taylor Rice. They do a great job of showcasing their patients' wins through photos of the patient, and when they get a nice review, they'll share that as well. The cool thing is, if you get these releases to do these posts and you tag them, then that person sees a post about them and they're going to be more likely to engage with that and share it. Next is behind the scenes moments in the office. And these are critical because if your content is all dental all the time, people are just going to not engage with it because they're not thinking about dentistry as much as we are. And so just day-to-day life where you're either having fun or, doing something that you would normally do anyway, just repurposing those moments for social media wins are tremendous. These types of posts will showcase your faces too, which is something that people want to see. So our customer in Anchorage, Dr. Richard Crosby, he has the help of a local social media team that takes these videos for him and creates them, which is fine. You get the help that you need, but they're in their environment surrounded by dentistry, but they're doing non-dental things and they're having fun with it. And so this type of content is more likely to get likes and shares and comments. And so you can't miss these opportunities. Do they have to be goofy? No. Dr. Michael Miyazaki, another customer of ours in the Sacramento area here, did a team outing, just a team celebration. And they took some pictures and they tagged the place where they went, and that is a pro move right there because then they got comment from the place where they went for their celebration. This is going to help you increase your visibility of your posts. And so 60 likes for a set of photos when you went out to dinner. Yeah, let's do that. Post idea number 3, educational videos from doctor. Occasionally talking about dentistry is a great thing. It helps remind people of, I've got a dentist that knows their stuff. And that just shows that, again, going back to that EEAT, you're demonstrating your expertise is one of those E's. And when you're talking about a specific topic, then your social media team can put those keywords in as hashtags, and just even organically, your post content's going to have those keywords in it. And so the other bonus is that these videos, assuming you're recording videos, are going to be able to be repurposed on your website in the related pages on YouTube, TikTok. Video content is not as hard to record as you think. And I'll show you some examples here. Dr. Lawson, our customer in the Des Moines area, did this video. She just hopped out of her car on her street, recorded this video. You can tell this is not a professionally recorded video. That is intentional. Authenticity is really in right now, and it's got more thumb-stopping potential than some of the more professionally recorded videos out there, because those tend to feel like commercials. People don't want to be advertised to. They want to allow you into their circle if you're going to help them or entertain them. And that's what these posts do. So Dr. Lawson recorded this with our ProView social system. It's a system where you just record a video, it automatically gets uploaded to us. We've actually even fed you the question that you're answering, and we turn it into a professional social media post. I'll have the link to that in the comments on this video. Number 4 is community involvement, such as charitable events. These don't come up a whole lot, obviously. You don't do these all the time, but when they do, you need to take a picture. Even better would be to take a video and tag the organization that you're working with or other people that are doing this with you. It humanizes your brand. It shows you, again, leveraging your expertise to help the world around you. People love that. They love to see that they've got someone that they're doing business with for their care that's helping other people, because then in a way they sort of feel like they're helping too by supporting you. So don't miss those opportunities, whether it's across seas or just right in your town. Sometimes in your town is even better because then you're interacting with a local organization. But just whatever you're doing that's helping the community or the world at large, make sure to document it in your social media as just an expression of who you are, what you do. Number 5 is to showcase new technology or training in your office. When you invest in tech, get it on video. Talk about what it does. And then you can tag the company that made that tech, or if you're at a training session or a conference. Dr. Michael Ferruzian in the Columbus area attended a conference, and he did a great job of tagging the IAPA, putting the location in for where these photos were taken, and just talking about what they're doing there, and got a lot of engagement from tapping into the pool of people that are also participating in this organization. And he kind of double dipping in these ideas, combining them, recorded an informational video at another conference that he attended. And so, when you're outside of the office and you're learning about a subject, that's a great time to grab your phone, sign on to ProView Social, and you can record a video where you're talking about what you're learning to your patients. Our team can put that together in a professionally edited video with captions and music and some branding at the end. And these are just going to help you get more mileage out of what you're doing anyway. If you want more ideas like these, or you want help, social media ideas can be sent directly to your inbox if you'll just subscribe at the link in the post description. And again, I'll also have a link to our ProView social system, where right now for $100 a month, you can get 2 professionally edited videos with your branding, captions and music, everything. All you have to do is hop on, answer one of the questions that we provide to you, and we can help you be more active with great ideas like this one. Thanks.